Hey, thanks for tuning in. Hello again, and my name is Gabriel Vasquez, and now we're going to be discussing one of the items of the Swift reference application, available currently in the on the Apple Store, and it's completely free. Okay, so the item that we're going to be talking about is called comments. Okay, so let's just go right into the app, and let's just look for the comments item, and this is the comments. So, for those of you who don't know, comments are just the way that you leave hints for yourself in the event that things are not running the way it should, and you just want to, go back and try to like fix and debug your program. And it's very efficient, and it's actually kind of like, as you can see right here, I'm just using some sort of comment to indicate that this playground is going to be for comments. Pretty efficient, right? Using a comment to say that this is going to be a comment. So let's just try out a few examples. Let's just go right into the code demo. Um, just to say, if you have a long line and you wanna hide that line, you can just use these forward slash, this double forward slash, and you can just say this is a line for comments, and you can just repeat that as much as you want to, and it's gonna be all covered by this double slash. And as you can see, it doesn't jump into the next line, so you're pretty much covering all this line, and you can just write as much as you want. And when the compiler comes, when Swift decides to run the program, you will not run this section right here. Okay, so let me just say another example that is used a lot. Let's just say, for example, that you have variable a equals 1, then you have a variable, then you have a constant here, then you have another variable. So you have two variables and one constant, and you don't want to compile that. For some reason, you want to just run your program in another section and kind of like ignoring this, instead of just going and putting um, this double forward slash here in each and every line. You can just use this. You can just do forward slash and then this sign, and later do the same here, and it will pretty much ignore everything that is within these two symbols right here. So if you add like even another constant, it will absolutely ignore it. But after that, you can just have another variable and it will work. So there you go. You have like two ways to place comments, one for a line and one for a section. Just place this at the beginning if you're only at the beginning of the line, if you just want to like ignore that line completely, or you can just put this section breaker, and everything that is within this is going to be ignored by the compiler. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. If you haven't downloaded the app is free in the App Store. It's currently available right now, and it's called S Reference. Thanks for liking this video and also for subscribing to this channel. And if you have any questions, again, just feel free to send me an email or just post your question in the comments section. Okay, thanks for tuning in and have a good one. We'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.